Hello viewers, welcome to Numerical Hub. In today's video, we are going to look at a very common question in ratio, but students often miss it. So I want us to look at how we can tackle the question so that next time when you meet it, you will be able to tackle it. What is the question? What is the most common question that students often miss? Let us look at it. This is the question. In a fundraising committee of 270 people, the ratio of men to women is 7:2. Find the number of women required to join the existing committee for the ratio of men to women to be 5:4. These are very common questions which students usually miss. Let us look at how it should be done. So, in this fundraising committee, there are 270 people with the ratio of men to women being 7:2. So first thing that we should do is to find how many men are in the committee and how many women are in the committee. So the ratio is 7:2. This implies that total ratio is 9. So to get the number of men, it's going to be the ratio of men all over total ratio times the total number of people in the fundraising committee. This is going to give us 9 goes here once, 9, 30. 30 times 7 is 210 men. There are 210 men in that committee, and the number of women is going to be the ratio of women, which is 2, all over total ratio, which is 9, times 270. 9 once, 930. This is going to give us 60 women. The other way that we could have got the number of women was subtracting the number of men from the total number of people in the committee, since we will have still got 60. Now there are 210 men and there are 60 women. So there is a new ratio. There is a new ratio of men to women, which is supposed to be 5:4. But this is a ratio which we will get after adding a certain number of women into the existing committee. Now, how many number of women should we add to the existing committee so that the ratio will be 5:4? So let the number of women added be W. So the number of women that we will add to the existing committee will be W. So that the ratio of men, the total number of men is 210 all over 60 plus W, which we will add, should give us a ratio of 5:4. If we cross multiply, we are going to get 210 times 4. This is going to give us 840, is equals to 5 times 60 is 300 plus 5W. If we collect like terms, we move 300 to this other side. We are going to get 840 minus 300 is equals to 5W. 840 minus 300, you are going to get 540 is equals to 5W. We divide by 5. We divide by 5. We are going to get W to be 5 goes here once, 5 goes into 5 one times, 8 to 4. It does not go into 4, into 40 8 times. So 108 women. So the number of women required to join the existing committee so that the ratio of men to women be 5:4 is 108 women. That's it for the video. For more revision content, please subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you cannot miss every video posted to this channel daily. Thank you.